Hi, I'm Martin with HydroLock Systems. In this segment, we're going to go over PVC basics and threaded connections. Every HydroLock system utilizes 3/4 inch Schedule 40 PVC and a series of threaded connections. It's highly important that you do all these processes perfectly for a leak-free, long-lasting system. All PVC connections need to be properly primed and glued for a leak-free connection. So don't be lazy about this, guys. Start with your primer and go around your connection 6 to 7 times, as well as the other intended connection. Next, we're going to take our cement and do the same thing. Apply it to both sides of the connection. Once your cement is applied, press both pieces together and give it a little bit of a turn. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds for perfect set. Wipe away the excess. Now we've created a good cemented PVC connection. All threaded connections need to be tightly taped with Teflon tape. 2 to 3 times around is sufficient.